Hi guys, what's going on? I hope you all are fine and I am also fine. If you are a solo pusher, if you are a solo rank pusher and also if you are a mage user, then this video is specially made for you. Because in this video, I am going to tell you about top 5 mages for solo rank pushing. If you are facing some bad unexperienced teammates, then this video may be helpful to you. Veil is one of the most deadly mages in this game. If you able to put all these enemies in your ult, then all will be dead immediately. It can deal a very high amount of burst damage which is ultimate and medium amount of burst damage which is first skill. You can also stun enemies by his second skill and it is also very popular in higher ranks. Lilia is also one of the most popular mages because it has a good damage output in early, mid and late game situation. It is also one of the most fastest mages because its skills increase its movement speed and with his ult you can teleport to another shoe by this. And also your HP becomes full and you can easily escape by this. Farsha is one of the most picked mages due to his higher burst damage output and a very good escaping skill. With his passive, you can stun enemies in your nearby area and with his ult, you can deal a very high damage output to the enemies. 1 to 2 shot of his ult can drain more than half HP of any squishy heroes. You can also scare your enemies by its ult because the enemy will be scared by your ultimate. But remember, your ultimate can be stopped by any stun or knockback effects. Next is everyone's crush and the hardest mage of Mobile Legends is Kagura. It is very much popular due to its high mobility and also its high burst damage. It can do blink, dash, burst damage, knockback and stuns, also slower effect. It is very hard to catch a Kagura if the Kagura of your opponent is very pro. Kagura is one of those mages like if you are using Kagura and if you are able to escape from the enemies but still you have a chance to kill all these enemies from your backline. A pro Kagura can kill the enemies from his backline even he is escaped from them. But still remember, this hero is very hard to use. Cyclops is called the 1 vs 1 mage. This hero is pretty weak in early game but it has a very big amount of continuous damage in the late game. Even Radiant armor can't defend its damage properly. If you are using this hero and if you are able to make full build with this hero, then you can kill any heroes easily in the 1 vs 1 situation. You can immobilize enemies by its ultimate for a few times. If you are able to make full build with this hero, you can carry your team easily. Any lower defense enemies in the late game cannot kill you properly if you are able to make full build. I am giving you a clip by which you can realize how powerful this is. As you can see, the Saber is dead immediately when he touches the Cyclops. Also, he is not able to drain under the 50% of his life. But remember, you can be killed by enemies if your second skill is off. Please wait until the video ends. I hope you liked this video. If you like this video, please leave a like and also subscribe our channel and keep the bell notification on to get the notification of our video when we upload it immediately.